Hi, I'm Carol Burdelik with LPT Realty, and today we are in Beachwalk by Manasota Key. For those that don't know where that's at, we're just south of Venice, near Sarasota, and just minutes from the beach. So I would like to point out this is a Pulte Homes community, and they're known to have so much activity here. So this is a resort-style community with resort-style pool, future tiki bar, restaurant, tennis, pickleball, bocce ball, and an athletic center. There's so much to do here. With our on-site lifestyles director, he's got things planned throughout the year. So it's a lot of fun here. And I want to point out this is a maintenance-free neighborhood. They do all the landscaping for you and the surrounding grounds. They built these houses solid for hurricane weather because we have all block and stucco along with hurricane windows and doors. So today we're standing outside of the contour, so you're going to join me on a tour today on that model. So right away you'll see they did ceramic tile floors throughout, including the bedrooms, and they kept everything neutral so you can bring in your own splashes of color. This is vacant and ready for you to move in. I want to point out the garage is right here. So you got plenty of room to bring your vehicles in, along with space around the corner. They're even hooked up for electric vehicles. So you're getting everything modern in this home. First, I'd like to point out the flex room. This can be used for many things. You can use it as an office, a study, an extra media room. You can have your guests stay on a sofa bed in here. It can be a playroom. You've got plenty of natural light and still have your privacy. Now I'm going to take you around to the guest room. Notice that it's a nice sized closet and plenty of room to put in, I would say a queen bed could fit in here nicely. They have all the tall doorways I wanted to point out too, which is extra. So they did that in this home. They kept everything neutral in here too, with the countertops, the shaker cabinets. They did the tub in here, so if you have little ones or want to soak. Look at the size of this island. This is great where you can have 3 or 4 chairs, and there's still plenty of storage on this side. It is a natural gas community for those who like to cook with gas. They did all Whirlpool appliances with stainless steel. You have a pantry here. And before I show you the beautiful outdoors, I'm going to show you the primary suite. Right off of the suite, we do have the washer and dryer, and it's nice that you have a separate room for that. So this is a nice sized room where you're looking out at the water and the pool. I see some wildlife out there right now. Blue heron and the egret. And then you have your ensuite bathroom. They did the dual sinks, which is nice. Chrome is back, so I'm seeing more and more chrome lately. And then we have the neutral tile in the shower here with the frameless doors. Again, bringing in some natural light. And then you've got a nice sized closet. We have a nice linen closet here. Water closet over here. Now, let's take a look outside to enjoy the Florida lifestyle here. Look at all this space here. Living room, dining room, kitchen is all your entertainment space right here. And then you're looking out at this. Again, these are hurricane doors, 3 panels, so you've got a nice opening here. The owners went with an extended deck, which has made this the party place. There's so much room because you've got the covered lanai, but you also can sit out there if you want to get some sun. And look at the size of this pool. They went with extra features in this pool where they have the lights at night and it does a self-cleaning. They upgraded the pebble tech so it looks more like a lagoon. And then you're looking out at this gorgeous view. So just to recap, we just saw the contour, which is the 2-bedroom with the flex room. Keep in mind you can use this as an investment property too. I've seen the neighbors on how they've prospered on this as well. And we're in this beautiful community called Beachwalk by Manasota Key, where you're only 2.5 miles away from the beach, and you've got all these wonderful amenities. So come take a look and join me. Again, I'm Carol Burdelik with LPT Realty. And if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.